Most people think that credit score is all about paying bills in time, but then that's just one part of it. Today, I'm going to explain to you the truth about credit score, what affects them and what doesn't affect them. And then I'm going to explain to you how you can take control of your financial future. If you want to get a mortgage, a credit card, then this is an information that you need to know. But first things first, let's get back to basics, explaining what a credit score is. A credit score is a number that tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. So in the UK, a credit score is not set by the government, it is set by a credit reference agency. For example, this can be Experience, TransUnion or Equifax. Now, each lender interprets your credit score differently. However, the higher the credit score, the better rates and terms you will be receiving from them. Now, I'm going to explain factors that actually impact your credit score. The first one is payment history. So if you miss one payment, trust me, that will have a huge impact on your credit score because lenders want to see that you are a reliable person. Remember this, a late payment can stay on your credit score for up to 6 years. So trust me, missing a payment is not the one because you have to wait 6 years for that to be removed. The next one is credit utilization. So this is how much available credit you're using. For example, if you have a credit limit of 2,000 and you have used 1,800, that means you have used up 90% of your credit. And this can look risky to lenders. So try and aim and keep it to 30% if you can. The next one is length of credit history. Believe me, having an older credit card account can actually help boost up your credit score. This shows a long-term relationship with lenders. So actually closing your credit card account can actually hurt you in the long run than help you. The next one is types of credit. For example, having a mixed credit such as loan, car loan, mortgage, this actually shows lenders that you can manage different type of borrowing. The next one is recent credit application. Each time you apply for credit, a hot search is shown on your file. Now, if you make too many applications in a short time, it can actually show lenders that you're desperate and then raises a red flag. This is something you should always try and avoid. Another thing that impacts it here in the UK is registering to vote. Registering to vote can boost your score because it helps lenders to easily identify you and then easily find your address. Now, I'm going to explain to you what doesn't affect your credit score. The first one is your income. So the lenders might ask for it, but it's not on your credit file. Your savings or bank balance does not have any impact. If you're checking your own credit score, this is called a soft check. This is totally safe. If you got a student loan, it's not included on your credit report. Partner credit score, except if you have taken out a credit, such as a joint mortgage. Now, if your credit is not where you want it to be, here are a quick way to actually improve it. First thing first is the easy one, just make payments on time. If you got high balances, pay them off. If you can, then register to vote. Avoid applying for a lot of credit within a short window. If you can, then check your reports for errors and then correct them. Keep all the accounts open except if you got high fees. So what I want you guys to remember is that credit score does not improve overnight. But if you start small habits, that'll have a huge impact in the future. Here's the thing, if you're not careful, a bad credit score can actually cost you more than a declined credit application. You might be charged a higher interest rate or forced to pay a higher deposit amount, or even get rejected for renting a flat or for a better energy deal. So now you know the truth about credit score. It's not mystery, it's a system. And once you understand the rules, you can start playing smart. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.